Whether it's pizza, pi, or anything else round, you can't calculate the circumference without knowing about 3.14, also known as pi. But there's a few more digits than that. So let's talk to Emma and see how she broke the world record for calculating 31.4 trillion digits using Google Cloud Platform. So Emma, how did you do it?
So we ran a program called Y-Cruncher for 4 months on Google Cloud Platform. And we set up a cluster of 25 machines, and we made sure that these machines run continuously without any shutdowns or reboots for 121 days.
Yeah, I mean, that's no easy feat. 120 days, all those machines running non-stop. That's kind of something magical, right?
Yeah, but Google Cloud has a lot of features and mechanisms to make sure these machines and software are up and running. And we set up monitoring systems and other techniques that we use for production servers.
Because normally speaking, it's very difficult to keep one process running over 121 days, nonetheless, on 24 machines.
Right.
So what inspired you to kind of look for this many digits of pi?
Like humanity collectively tried to calculate as many digits of pi as possible since like 2000 BC. And even the first electronic computer, ENIAC, was used to calculate 2000 digits of pi. And ever since then, pi was used as a benchmark to measure the performance and reliability of computers. And now we use Google Cloud, so that means cloud is capable of doing this kind of heavy-duty work.
That's awesome to see, and congratulations on breaking the world record. Of course, there's more than just numbers in pi. We can also use it to make art. Let's talk to Matthias about how he managed to do really, really cool generative art using all of Emma's work. Matthias,
Hi.
Tell me a little bit more about what you've done here.
Right, so 31 trillion digits is a huge number, right?
Absolutely.
Right, but not only is it a lot of numbers, what's really interesting about pi is also that the sequence never repeats itself. So we thought, like, what could we do with this? So what we came up with is, we made this algorithm that would turn these sequences of pi into a visual representation, essentially. And this allows people to find 31 trillion different visual representations of pi somewhere within pi.
Can we take a look?
Absolutely. So we can jump to any digit within pi that we want. I just type in a random number. So from that point on, it takes the next several thousand digits of pi, them being unique within there, and then generate a piece of art out of this, essentially.
So if anyone else is here, they can come by, they can change up the numbers, and they'll see different artwork because it's unique sets of pi patterns.
Exactly. So someone could come by, say like, they type in their phone numbers, or like maybe their birthday of their, their spouse or whatnot, and type this in, and then essentially get a unique representation of that number within pi.
Very, very cool. This is just one of the many cool experiments that we have here at the Dev Zone. So hopefully the people here can come check it out and see all the cool work that we've done.